How to unstar messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unstar messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this one. Select any message you want here and hold on it, and then here you will find this icon, this star icon in the top. Just click on it, and as you see the message have been unstarred, and let's unstar another message. So just hold on it and then click here unstar, and that's it. It's easy as you see now. Just that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.